Hello, my name is Chris and I bought a GoPro Hero 7 Silver a few months ago. It's the mid-range GoPro that I use for doing car reviews. I also own a GoPro Hero 7 Silver and I've had this for a few years and I was due for an upgrade. I'm going to list a few of its specs. The GoPro Hero 7 Silver shoots 4K at 30 frames a second in super wide mode only. It also shoots 1440 at 60 frames a second, but not in a 16:9 format, rather an awkward 4:3 format, pretty much unusable for most people. More on that later. It has a camera, but who cares? It shoots 10 megapixel pics and it has a wide dynamic range feature, which means the difference between its ability to capture details in bright and dark areas of the picture will be greater. It is waterproof, up to 33 feet or 10 meters. It has voice control, it has 2 ports to record sound, GPS, and it has basic stabilization. It comes with a case and connectors and a USB-C cable. This allows you to transfer files pretty fast. It will be nice to compare the image quality with the older GoPro Silver 4, which I own, so we can see how things have improved over the years. The GoPro 7 Silver sound has improved a lot. On a personal note, that is important because I like to record 2 sound files, so when filming with my action camera, if the principal sound recorder screws up, I can use the sound recorded on my GoPro 7. Very convenient. As you shall see in my examples, the 4K image quality is excellent with the ability to get good contrast detail. Also, disappointing is that you cannot crop the 4K footage. So let's take a look at some field tests.
Walking handheld. This is me walking with the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. It's in 1440 right now. It is in medium or cropped mode. And this is also a sound test. I'm going to show you the difference in a few moments by putting it in wide view. So same street, same diffuse light from the sky. This is in wide mode being the only mode available on the Hero 7 Silver.
A few notes. The principal limitations of the GoPro 4 was the very limited battery life and the poor image quality in imperfect lighting conditions. Also, the very limited shake stabilization, as you can see.
So this is me doing a typical vlogging experience with the GoPro 7 Silver. As far as the settings go, it's in 4K mode. There are no other settings in that mode that I can see. The sound quality appears to me to be pretty good. There is a light wind here, and this should be what a typical blogger does. And you can get an idea of not only the sound but the shake stabilization.
A few notes. The battery life is so much better on this camera. Once again, the shake stabilization is very good. The image quality is, I think, much better. And the user interface has been simplified even more. Coming up is me using the GoPro in a more practical application when I review cars. So this is me recording with the GoPro 7. I want you to note a few things. You'll notice out in the window, the light is much greater, yet we retain a lot of detail. You can see those buildings quite well. If you look at the back seat, there's a lot of shadow, yet we get quite a bit of detail. So the image quality, the colors too, is very good. So in terms of just raw video output, I think this Hero GoPro 7 Silver really delivers quite a bit for the money. And those are my thoughts. So if you like this video, like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. And if you really like it, you can subscribe.